Hello, this is John Gozo with the Sims Pump Company. What you're looking at here is a new Simsite structural graphite carbon fiber composite fan housing. This is about 30 inches in diameter. This fan housing in carbon fiber Simsite replaces the metallic housing, which you can see corrodes and is heavy. This is lightweight and never corrodes. The corrosion was a big problem with the fan because when it corroded, the metal chips came out and destroyed the fan. This will not happen with the Simsite structural composite housing. Thank you very much.